National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Burnett County, northwestern Travis County, western Williamson County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Burnett, Bertram, Saraneta, Andersonville, Leander, Lakeway, Lago Vista, Hudson Bend, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Florence, Andice, Mahomet, Joppa, Oatmill and Briggs. Most rainfall amounts in the warned area may be less than 1 inch. However, isolated amounts over 2 inches will be possible, which will quickly turn into runoff after all the rains that have fallen so far. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.